So we are here with our class of teens basics of cooking, where we have taught children how to manage their food independently. So our students are here and with good theme lights and they have cooked all these meals by themselves and now enjoying basics of cooking, managing their own food independently. And it was also about home and kitchen management and grocery management, everything in this workshop. So please tell me your reviews on this workshop.
Okay, so far, I learned about stuff that I did not know. For even though I lived alone for 2 years, I have come to realize that I have no idea how to manage. But this gave me a really good insight on how to cook and how to manage everything properly.
Okay, so you are able to understand all the steps of cooking,
Yes, I was
from
able to
washing of
understand
grains to cutting, chopping, from
everything.
the flame also, how much we are
I
using.
understood like how to pre-cook and then properly heat everything and exactly how much time is needed for that. And if something goes wrong, I know how to handle that.
Okay.
Okay, so as someone with little to no prior kitchen experience, I managed to learn a surprisingly high amount of info and tips and tricks on how to make multiple dishes and manage food for yourself. And even in case, even in case if you have limited access to resources, we now have the knowledge of how to maximize the output. So the basically I went from zero to cooking all of these dishes by use of the knowledge I gained from Chef Ruchi. And yeah, that's the reason why anybody like me who is about to go to university and about to start hostel life does need to attend this workshop.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
This was an all-inclusive and very thorough workshop wherein Auntie guided us right from shopping for the groceries, then cleaning them and then using them, and even cutting all the vegetables required and preparing them, and also letting us know how to judge the right quantity and not just going by the book amounts, how we should judge by ourselves what is the right quantity to put something. So I think that was very helpful for me, and the plus point is we get to eat all this in the
So I'm really happy that this small little girl is working in a merchant navy, and she has come here to manage her kitchen independently.
Yes.
And I'm really happy and wishing you all the best. Okay.
Thank you so much.
So our one student had to go early because he is doing work from home, and rest all of you, please carry on with your cooking skills.
Yes.
Thank you.